ene ya memenda ye bedi nkomo kakra na nkomo na ye bedi no eye enkrem somo no Qur'ani kremu niama bebre yana he edru baabi a yana de ya yesere ye nuanom a edi asoma hodo na chini se yesere wo mo books na wo di eche no ekasa ensem na ya na eka no wo mfa nsem no nkasa emu book no apen de ye pese ye ma wo mani da ho ewo sa nsem no no ne pata wate ase entumi nkoba se yete ho na ya bedia di se eya no kore obo ade bi wo wi ase na obo ade ne de yeya bibifuo no wa na ne ho adi ankyere yeya bibifuo okoda ne ho adi e de kyere aborofo no ena aborofo na create som en wo mode asom no abere yen omode som ne bere yen a omo ba no oman recordo nyankopon no mu asem bia amfa ama omanfa nyankopon no ho adanse bia amfa ama do omde ba ye books bia omo say eno na nyankopon no etusu wo mo komhwani bi wo mo kuromo no ensemu nyankopon no de ma wo mo no omatire gu books nim e de sansem no ebre yen so nsemu ni mu na ensemu ni mo no enye adansidi a ewo nyankopon no a wo mo kremu se wo no nebo wiase no eye ni nsem no yen so book dim na yen ni nsem wo kire ni mu eso yaje book no yakenkai book no yakenkai book ni mfie bebre se de ne yesikenkai book no yakenkai book no de na koma ene tie ekenkai book no yamfa adene nto ho ena sesei eni abeda ho am yehunu se da bi books no se yakenkai a yamfa adene nto ho ena ye bie ye nuanom bi mu ani e won nsam a ye kan ye ho. But it seems yen samu no aye kan mu bia no nipa no ohunu no kura no a ehu bia hye ni sunu ntine e mani ntumi follow no kore no e pata wate ase de atie nie ohene ba mechia wo de atie nie book na ye fe ne Quran no wakre mu se woni doubt bia woni mu enti book wa woni doubt woni mu anase book wa woni akyinidie woni mu no se yenya nipa kuom yenu ewo somudi mu ne se even wo munyankopon na wo mudi na chi no entawantawa adene eye entawantawa mienu wo no ho a ewo se ohunu se esom no eye confused esom no nkasa na eye confused esom a edikan because nyankopon baako ena enkremofo ni nyina kremu se wayi wo munyankopon e kristofo nyankopon de ono nkon but enkramofo na sem na ye kan Quran no ekuta nyame baako but meni ma chinchina ya na mi gusu ya me research bi ena mi copy a scholar and a student omomi enu no ideology be where Allah is the part what you say Zebin Mechiao guru Mechiao. A scholar and a student of Islam. Some call for we no. Question be beto. Where is Allah and where can Allah be found? Scholar in chile muno. Wako to Quran. Student in chile muno. Wako to Quran. Nimi yenu nyinano. Esunu wabiane ni wabiaka. The same Quran. The same Allah. But student na semua all can ye different. All go to the same Quran. Scholar na semua all can ye different. Also all go to the same Quran. Me pachao se book ne katra wo say there is no doubt in it. Now what question is said there be if that is the truth there, then the student and the scholar I was say wo mo answer ne ya baako me be kenka dia kyerew. Me pachao what ya say ya behwe said the student in isi kan ne dia fire said the scholar in so kan ne dia fire obia ko to Quran obia making the point free Quran nim a student na sem a wo kan ye different me pacha what ya here obibini me chiao student na sem a wo kan ye different scholar na sem a wo kan ye different a obi a point a wo meki e wo Quran nim so se book no there is no doubt in the book. How can this student and the scholar have different ideology of where Allah is? People tell what you say. And no na yet say ye nua no mama money na ho because books na da ho no. Eye book wa eye confused book. The same book kro no wa be kan sem bi na wa say twa no ho na wa sa be dan na no because o say wa adene. And no na ye nua no mkremofo so mama wo mani na ho. Na omo nhwehwe bet yen ye to ye ho asi wo say ye be kire wo either wo pe o umpe o we are going to point them ye be point ni nyina de agu abontene ho ne anani abere se wo pese wo sua de ne obehunu meba ma me no nkokoro anim Quran 16:89 meba before say ye be kenkai wo mo no ayi no ma yen kenka asem bi wo Quran sura 16 ayat number 89 okay meba ebeti asem bi wo ha wase dai okay wase Quran sura 16 ayat number 89 was it and mention the day when we resurrect among every nation a witness over them from themselves, and we will bring you, O Muhammad, as a witness over your nation, and we have sent down to you the book as clarification of all things, and as guidance and mercy and good tidings for the Muslims. So the book that is called the Quran is the clarification of everything. Bibiana opese no. Through the book called Quran, you will get the clarification inside. So somebody asked this question: where can Allah be found? Or where is Allah? And this book, James Mechiao, this book, it put the clarification of everything. And if you want to know where is Allah or where can Allah be found to know, and what say you the clarification every book we mono. Ekuta answers in him among the student and the scholar no enya dene omumi enu nyina no obia ya confused. So how can this book be a book in which there is no doubt? According to I think Quran Surah 2 ayat number 2 me ba mame. Was it this is a book about which there is no doubt, a guardian for those conscious of Allah. Mrs. Subiem, Quran Surah 2 ayat number 2. This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guardian for those conscious of Allah. This is a book in which there is no doubt, a guardian for those conscious of Allah. Omonia bere, oma bie woma dwunim se omo behwehwe Allah akiri kwan no. Book wey eye book a eye ma wo mo a achinyindie bia ni book wey mu. So a Muslim was asking this question: where is Allah, or where can Allah be found? And a scholar, a student of Islam, a scholar of Islam, having two different ideology, different two answers for this one question, and both of them quoted the same Quran to prove their point. Bra, so edebe biem na yen kan kire o ma hu se book we no emanipa ye confused. Even so ye Muslims no a yen Ghana Muslims ne Quran o check Facebook not me say even them no they are even them on ankasa no they are even confused themselves, because Your friend say you see a Prohibition Nation. One in chile mu ewo Quran ni monenko. Ahmadiyya fo chile mu nko. Ala Sunna fo chile mu nko. Faida fo chile mu nko. Tijaniya fo chile mu nko. The same Quran wow. Now meba, where is Allah? Yen kwa kenkai the commentary no yamra. Meba. Where can Allah be found? Where is Allah? Where can we see Allah? A student and a scholar, they couldn't give the same answer, but they quoted the same Quran to prove their point. Meba? They quoted the same Quran. Way Muhammad Darwish, a student of Islam, tie making kind of answer ne the amount. But me fanche na bon say the American ye no correct. Me bam chawo and that's what a student of Islam, Muhammad Darwish, a student of Islam, was saying, the question is, where is Allah? The student no the answer what the ma question in ye now better the echoes will tie. Was say Allah has no form. The answer from the student, student in the making can me I will go and read the scholar on also for you to see. Say this book is those religious books, and many people confused because open throw a book ni mo ubenya, open the kura book ni mo ubenya, ena obi a atro ne kura wa nanum no. Say nipa no ye hunu ni su ne ban ya wode nam asase so. Ono a onya no kwafo, ono a onya trofo. Sese ne ya beye den ena ye hunu nipa kura wa ye. Mame nkenkan fama wan. Where Muhammad Darwish answer to the question, where is Allah? Yentie, Allah has no form. He is a simple entity. If he had a form, a size, a weight, then he was creation. Therefore, something before him would have created them, would have created him. Was say the question, where is Allah? No, Allah woni form, Allah woni size, Allah woni weight. To mean define Allah. Say ye to me define Allah. Eka se ebia Allah was size bi, ana wo weight bi, ana se wo form bi dia. Eni na Allah no, wo ye abodie na emom no onye obo ade. Me pata what ya say? Yen to asu, because Allah is the creator, not the created, he has to be abandoned from futures of the created. Me pata what ya say? Was say, if you give Allah form and say, for example, Allah is in the sky, then you are saying Allah is not present in other place than the sky. And he say, where is Allah? Now can say Allah is in the sky there. Then now Allah, no, he is not present everywhere. Said you can say, Nyankopon wo baby no. Say o ka say Allah e was sky more. What is sky more? Not just say Allah, when you're present in everywhere. Good point. Then you are saying Allah is not present in the other places than the sky. And this is wrong and logically not possible. Because what kind of God will he be if he is not everywhere? That is where Allah stated in the Quran, he is more near to you than your vein. According to Quran Surah 39, ayat number 67. And no, that is 50. 16. Okay. And the student no answer what them answer there be. Allah, yen to mean chira baby Allah wo. Want to mean say Allah is in the sky. And now Allah wo size be, wo form be, and now wo weight be. Sa ukire musa Allah e wasa niema we se nyina de a ene na Allah wanye obo ade na emom woye abodie bia wo bi na bo no eto so biem sa uka se Allah is in the sky meaning say Allah is not present in everywhere. He lives and answer is present only in the sky. And logically, it doesn't sound sensible. Okay? And a sense Allah is not in the sky. Now Allah is present in everywhere. And all can say that is why Allah says He is more nearer than our vein. What be yen entinio said then dibisa the part what you say. So untumi kase Allah at the sky. This is the answer he quote. This is the answer whatever. Now yensha de bi wa ha. Okay, bibi say Allah is formless. Sa verse ni yebenya no wo Quran surah 39. Surah 39 67 meba. Allah is formless, of course. Student in answer what them was say Allah is formless. But the same Quran, you will see in a certain verse that Allah is not formless. Yakasa adie bi we formless ah. Untumi hunu adie ni ti. Untumi hunu adie ni nsa. Untumi hunu ne kon. Untumi hunu ne ni. Because any form na what to me atrese ni ti wa ha ne nsa wa ha ne kon wa ha. So Allah is formless. According to the same Quran, ubehunu baby Allah wonsa ewo tire ewo nan ewo kon. Ade ewo tire wonsa wo nan ewo kon. Eye formless. Surah 39 ayat number 67. Okay. Was it they have not appraised Allah with true appraisal? What the earth entirely will be within his grip on the day of resurrection, and the heavens and the earth will be folded in his right hand. Exalted is he, and high above what they associated with him. Student, according to this statement, was say Allah is formless. Nana otu kweya sare bosonfo mechiapa meni amedase. Was say Allah is formless. Quran answer say the day of resurrection, okay, they have not appraised Allah with true appraisal. While the earth entirely will be within his grip on the day of resurrection, and the heavens will be folded in his right hand. Exalted is he, and high above what they associated with him. So say Allah is formless. The right hand, where can we? And any fan you be Allah in senifano. Allah is formless. And any fan you be Allah in senifano. That was see a ye meremono. Allah the in senifano be folded we are seno. The patawati say. So Allah can never be formless according to the Quran. But the student stated that Allah is formless. Yansha sembi su Quran Surah 50:16. Surah 50 ayat number 16. Yenti asembi wo 50:16. Solomon mechia otuntum awbrasiye ni mechia. Was say and we have already created man and know what his soul whispered to him, and we are closer to him than his, was it the jugular vein. When a student, I can say there be, if this verse in it say Allah is closer more than our vein dear, then Allah don't have a praise what here. Unto me can say Allah at the sky. Now I be closer more than my vein, which is impossible. So student in go to this verse, and our day down to say there be, if that is the case, then Allah is everywhere. So you cannot tell me what will be a question. I mean to me can't say Allah is wo benkum, wo nifa, wo tifi, wo puye, wo toya, wo soro, and now wo asasi so. Me pata what you say. So no, and the student in a kind service way, Surah 50 ayat number 16, when we say Allah say he is more closer than our vein. He is closer to us more than our vein. So meaning this Allah ben ye Allah ne tie. E was asase so. Ye ne nenam baby wo baby ko bia no Allah de akidi a. Then Allah is present in everywhere. This is the answer from the student. Yenkotie scholar nso ne answer wode baaye. Wano nso be go to the same Quran. Na wano nso dia disprove the student said there be what you are saying is wrong. Allah is not closer more than our vein, and Allah is not present, but Allah lives in the sky. This is what the scholar also says. So no what do you mean by Mami ko read this scholar ne de ne ma osisi e. And so meba oh dear wono no ye dede bia wo chemo dia mon kama ntum me ye program wi a me ye program a enya me kasa ya ne metwa so da bi ha me wi a me ma kwan na won so waba na won so waba kire ya de na aboa ye sa pepepe ye wa hase esua de aha nya me nko na minim e bia na won so unim che me enti me wi a wo de ebra na ebra be kire ya de okay biemu ni yankoi ni bie scholar ne so link ni na makenka de amaw okay eno ono susu die nie e bam chama hunu ha ni bekenka de amaw enie o say where is Allah? This is a question. Where is Allah? Okay. Anyway, Allah is everywhere. It's a common term. Okay. Allah is everywhere. It's a common term among many sects in Islam, especially Deobandis, but it is a belief that can take a person out from Islam. This is believer ebetumi taking a person out from Islam, because the moment you will ask yourself where is Allah, the Quran will give you two definitions. The Quran will mislead you. But the same book, Surah 2, ayat number 2, Okremu said, the book is a book in which there is no doubt. But the same book can lead you to, to become kafiri. And I say, Omakane say, Obi be free Islamua. Introduction. Was it the attribute of transcendence of Allah? Example, Allah is above his throne, has special significance in Islam. It was Islam that clarified to man whose Allah and his names and attributes. Otherwise, man has strayed far astray from the correct belief. Jews said Allah descended to earth and lost western march with Prophet Jacob, and Christians claim that Allah came to earth and became a flesh and blood in a form of a man, Prophet Isa. Ne examples awade man say there be send ye can say wase se obi busa say Allah wo hene ne se wo ka kire ne say wase me starting say where is Allah is a common term among the many sects in Islam, especially Deobandis, but it is a belief that can take one out from Islam. The attribute of transcendence of Allah. Now say Allah every soro abasa si so no a Christopher was said to e pacha what you say Jesus your friend say Jacob ene nyankopon bo boxing nyankopon sane ba asasi so ema nyankopon ne bo boxing a Christopher kura ya say nyankopon sane ba asasi so ema ya wo ni se nipa enti sa asem we no according to the scholar no it make sense man no And now, what be making the point and then what the free over? Yantuaso. Was say, the idea of God is everywhere actually came from Hindu, who says Brahman is everywhere. This belief was taken by Christianity, eventually adopted by Muslims several generations after Prophet Muhammad. So the scholar is saying, he said, Allah is everywhere, no? And a Hindu for and a was our concept, no? And actually, and a Christopher be adopted, and a Cremofor to one so be accepted, and I say, one more be adopted, Commissioner Muhammad wo actually. So, according to one non so no, Commissioner Muhammad Tiasiano, now Allah is everywhere, no? Now, Commissioner Muhammad, and yin tum say Allah is everywhere. Ne momono, na Allah ewone ni press bia owa se wo hia nipa na wo sane na wa behwe wo. So Allah, according to the scholar, no, is not everywhere. Yen to us one point in him. What say? On the basis of the first attribute of divine immanence, example, the belief of that God is everywhere, so claim that God was more in humans than in animals, vegetations, example, etc. The concept of hulul, into bracket, indwelling of Allah in man, or ittihad, into bracket, complete unification of the human soul with Allah's soul, is not foreign. Among the people of 9th century, deranged mystic and so-called saint Mansur al-Halaji, that is 858 to 992 CE, openly declared that he and Allah were one. He was executed because of his claims. Similar, Nusayriat claims that Ali ibn Abi Talib was manifestation of Allah. Similar concepts are found in Druzi, into bracket, another Shiati, Breakaway, and many others. The idea is all these beliefs came into existence when immense concept was honored. The person what say, ni nyina say, yaka say Nyankopon wo ba bia, what nipa mu, what nua mu, what muwa mu a. Ena bema eno na ma enipa bi emfie bi etwam. Omo be kire mu say they and Allah is one, and some of them were executed. Because if Allah is within me there, then I and Allah is one. So according to this scholar, Quran Surah 50, ayat number 16 must be cancelled from the Quran, because Allah is no more closer than our vein. If you say Allah is more closer than your vein there, then Allah is within you. And the scholar is saying Allah can never stay inside us. Allah is not closer more than our vein. And no, sir, idea bin an any pebi one, and no name any pebi say they and Allah are one. Enti emaye kumkum sanko for no, because a false doctrine. Yentuaso. Mamin tasona me mekan ahase ne ma. Was say Allah is above his throne. That is the answer. There are many proofs used by the Orthodox Muslim scholars to establish the fact that Allah is totally separated from his creations and is above his great throne. And there are some Orthodox scholars in Islam wamama a lot of points. Actually say Allah is totally separated from his creation. Allah is on his throne. Allah has a throne in a certain place what is war. So Allah is not in everywhere. So you power me chiao. So you Jabani. Allah is not everywhere, but Allah lives in his throne. So a student na sana wadema ayano e contradicted the scholar na semo or can because logically and reason oka se nyankopon Abdul Mechiao oka se nyankopon ewo baabi fa ko wote a wa limit no wa mana bedane abode wanye obo ade abiem logically sa oka se nyankopon ewo baabi fa ko a ote on kan ya ho asase so we separated from us ena wo woni wiase bia wote mu a that me obeba be fire kwa one limit say nyankopon e patel the pointer na that student 3% o make ye no but scholar is no untumi nka say Allah ene na bode what na bodiem e ba ne sa won so why total mistake I want to be making a point. I will Quran nim ya ba kenkai ya botre amen to asoma. Was it the Quranic proof? The number of verses in the Quran that stated that Allah is above his creation are too many. Many ayahs prove this point directly. Others refers to the concept indirectly. Okay. Now, you had the Quran Surah 754. Allah is above his throne. Quran Surah 754. Yanken can you read here? The other verse I can say Allah is closer than our vein. Allah is closer to us than our vein. Okay. Now, Quran Surah 7, ayat number 54. We are not about culture said there is no contradictions in the Quran. Ayat number 54. Okay. Indeed, your Lord is Allah who created the heaven and the earth in 6 days and then established himself above the throne. He covers the night with the day, another night chasing it rapidly. And he created the sun, the moon, and the stars, subject by his command, unquestionable. His is the creation and the command. Blessed is Allah, Lord of the worlds. And this is the pointer the scholar needs to make here. Was it according to Quran Surah 7, ayat number 54? Was it indeed your Lord is Allah who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days and then established himself above his throne? Allah bo also ni asase no within 6 days ni wiye no. And now what did okotena na kunya so above his throne okotena na kunya ne soro. So Allah have a certain place and ani wiem ho kura na wotia na kura no won say ni everywhere wasa wo kunya bi sifa ko a eno so na wotie enyanwa say according to Genesis chapter 18 say the same nyankopon no a what he say Sodom and Gomorrah eye bone no wo si ba asase so say okwa ko hwese nsem o tie na eye no kore ana Epata wati ase enyanwa because asoro ho ne kura na wotie no wati ne dai kitua bi mu ena wo hyem na konwa bi so na wotie e wo ne da anim ha bi ho no kura ne bibi koso wanim this abofo de bewura ne dem ho na baba na mane. So if you say Allah is closer than man vein, that verse must also be cancelled from the Quran. That verse must be cancelled from the Quran because Allah can never and ever be closer than my vein because Allah lives in the sky, the seventh heaven. Seventh heaven ne Quran was our nakunya was ateso e wo soro so obi a wote the seventh heaven. The first heaven ni Quran. The first heaven yi kura no me pa chaw emre dodo se na wo bedi na wakodru first heaven what na second watra 10 wako 4 wako 5 wako 6 and san wako 7 akoto ala obi a wono wati 7 5 no ka kire me say that any pana wono ne 7 5 no is more closer than my vein. That verse must cancel from the Quran. Allah is not closer than your vein. Allah lives in the sky and he is sitting on his throne. And the Quran on present in everywhere. Yentuaso. Quran Surah 70, ayat number 34. Quran Surah 70, ayat number 34. Yentia sembi woho. 70:34. Scholar nenso wanonso point awo make no. There be 3 to 4, sorry. 70 ayat number 3 to 4. Sorry, why? Was say it is from Allah, owner of the way of ascent. The angels and the spirit will ascend to him during the day, the extent of which is 50,000 years. So big. Okay, my main fancy for now 3 and 4. But say it is from Allah, owner of the ways of ascent. Okay, the angels and the spirit will ascend to him during a day, the extent of which is 50,000 years. Epata what you say? Ahanso kire say Allah san say wanoni ewo above his angels baby awotie no kura no enye ne ho na ne angels ne wo down ena wono ne wo soro. Okay, enti sana abofo pese ekọ ne nkyɛn a emira dodo a wo mu di free baby o mu oni duru ne nkyɛn no ye calculate ba ye wiase mu a etise 50 years hwɛ abofo mpo a ebe mo na mo sie se abofo ne ben no wo mo na sɔre no enti se wo mo kɔ akɔsɔre Allah no a etise de wodi 50 years e wa asasi so. Enti how can this God be more closer than my vein? That's one of his saying. Mr. Ramo, me pam chow. Moyere waha, oba pe chan waha, men pese wabeti se mene moku. Munkama nuntum, na minim program. Me pam chow mati asye. Enti se Allah, and even nabofu ompo, idru samana ve kuncha da nyeleti sa, even nabofu ompo kwa ninchaya, e wase wamo furu, en wamako, wamo kwa, days anase hours ana minute wo bedi ni wo kwemo no etisa ye yasa asiso from verse day to 50 years. Now say this Allah is more closer than Mount Vena. That verse must be cancelled from the Quran. Okay, yentuaso. Quran Surah 35 ayat number 10. Quran Surah 35 ayat number 10. What's it then? What's it? However desires honor, whoever desires honor through power, then to Allah belongs to all honor. To him ascends good speech, and a righteous work rises it. But they who plot evil deeds will have a severe punishment, and the plotting of those, it will perish. So Allah wano nakasapɛ nyinaa furu kɔ ne nkyɛn enti sɛ woka and wano na meyɛyɛ pa nyinaa furu kɔ ne nkyɛn nakasapa apia ne yɛyɛ pa no na de ne kɔ. So because Allah is not closer than our vein, and Allah is separated from this our body, and that Allah is in the sky, oka semoa eye papa woya ni yeya eye papa na ni ye papa na waya no wasam papa waka no aboa apia ni ye papa no ade afroko Allah anim e wo 7th heaven. So this scholar is also making a proof, pointing his your friend saying, proving his point from the Quran that no, Allah is not closer than our vein. And Allah can never be everywhere, because the Quran has stated that Allah lives in the sky. What in the throne be sure? Oh, bra. And ubebu ceremony. Where is Allah? Now we are catching Allah is everywhere. Oh, Allah is within us. Oh, Allah is more closer than our vein. Obwa. The catcher will say that Allah is more closer than your vein. No? Ubenya the same Quran verse. I be catcher say obwa. Baby Allah wono. Abofo ni mpo okwa. Wamo furu kwa ni nchen. Abofo ni mpo. Omo kwa ala nchen ya wamo furu. Say Allah is closer than our vein. Meaning say Allah is within us. And ka abofo ne ba. Omo be sane. Because abofo was through. And kwa omo ba be worship Allah. And ka omo be sane. But the Quran no. Eye mo Allah na enu mo asam te da bi. Abofo no. Omo ba me nchen ya omo nsane. Na emom omo furu. Ena mo ka asam kura nso asam no ensa mewura mu asam ne furu kosoro e fura kwahene because e na Allah tie. Allah is in the sky sitting on his throne. Bra, so stop saying say Allah is everywhere. Allah is everywhere. Allah is closer than our vein. Allah is living in the sky, which is which according to the Quran dia na yemfa bra nti da ben and now Bema de da wutri mu no aye aduma kakra wo kenkan ya hwe mame tire wade da kromeye sa program we na me cheki sa de o ya me hunu ye no enye won se wo kan adwene won asema kire kremoni according to Quran wani mu ade aye friend say adene brain na da ye trim no kremoni bi according to Quran wani mu ade koro. So the can a very big difference for Muslims, because we are talking about something different now. Wamo Allah nanka sakron wani mu ade kro. Allah wani mu ade aye friend brain. Allah ni mu ade kro. That kromaya say teachings in the achero. Me se ba ma ba no ma ba ni se woja. Me kwaji ma home ni ma antanasi o. Ma ba ni se woja. Na me bie money rough. Me na me ka chero. So I'm asking, where is Allah? Is Allah closer than our vein? Is Allah formless or have a form? Is Allah the creator or creation? Does Allah live in the sky or Allah lives within his creation? Does Allah have a certain dwelling certain place or Allah is in everywhere? Is Allah present in everywhere? Is he omnipresent? No, Allah can never. There is a certain Quranic verse which will tell you say Allah is present. There is a certain Quranic verse which will tell you say no. Komisheni Muhammad the Quran can say be. Ansana ompa ibobe duru Allah ni mo no. Ansana ompa ibobe duru Allah ni mo no. Anadubia Allah sane ba form. Anadubia Allah sane ba form. Esoro ho ne Quran I don't think say woda because adia chen wo Ghana no. Adia achiyan wo Ghana no. Adia asa America fo. E pacha wat ya say. Enti anadwo no Allah obewen yen. Na adia achi. Adia chi say ya won to me mfuru nkone so ho. Dis say wo sa kwa America na wakowen America fo ma adia achi. Adia chiyan. Adia chi na wo se wokọ. Mo wakọ na kunya ne so kodi ni tiri mu da no. Na adia asa yenso ya wa ha. E wo se go bedi. Go to the amount. But me another verse. I will Quran Surah 16. Me pacha where your scholar ne point I will make you no. Student no the argument I will hear you na. Scholar no arrender stupid. I am kwasi asem de man scholar no. The student ne so me into point I will make you no. O make you point from the Quran. Quran Surah 16 ayat number 102. Brani yanko. Surah 16 ayat number 102. What was said here? Was say, oh Muhammad, the pure spirit has brought it down from your Lord in truth to make firm those who believe a guidance and a good tidings to the Muslims. Hey Muhammad, was say, hey Muhammad, kase eye honhom a eye no kore honhom ena ede enwoma no esane afiri soro ede abra me fom wadi esane ede abra me fom ena anje na wo ba ya no wo kremu se hwan na soma no wo se ala ena soma no no problem papis be twa mo ne mu jihad oba ya no wo se eye ala na soma no enti wadi firi soro en wadi bre komsheni Muhammad ewa asasi so enti ala te soro won so kremoni yabusa sa ala wa hene a wo se Allah is everywhere yabusa sa ala wa hene a wo se Allah is closer more than my vein obua say Allah is more closer than my vein enka the message no enka yam fan soma angel bia ena wodi abre komsheni Muhammad na momo no esansa Allah is with the komsheni Muhammad no enko de bema ne dalet komsheni ni yetumi busa ne question ne wakati on samonto mobu ase revelation ne man ye nyam fan free so ye nyam fan free so mrame me tell angel Gabriel there is this one hadisa komsheni Muhammad ni bufui ema na no hono ye apose woni ma di krontia na angel Gabriel promising say obeba ne nkyai ene na bedi nkobo baby wobusa wade asam soma ko oja asam soma angel Gabriel wo twemu yaye first day wa ma second day wa ma third day wa ma ne buofu am say day tosu day no etoso mi ensa no ena komcheni no ehunu bofo Gabriel no say matwe wa ade na wa ma because ka say obeba na nsa ne ewu den wa ma no so mentumi ama because me ye say me ba no na kana man bi wo mfie ho enti mentumi ama angel Gabriel soro kana man enti angel Gabriel ntumi ama ena asama wode ba nyina wasade afro koe so if Allah is closer than our vein if Allah wants to talk to komcheni Muhammad e was say wonya immediator e was say Allah nya immediator between nedan ya watini mu any separated room e was say wonya atisa de say Allah antimi mu na wo kasa kire me a wo kire boni a wati mu no that's all monko de monko di agro kan wati monko di agro de me wi ara ma okay ba bele monko me ba sia monko odi monko di agro me wi sia wale okay me pa cha tie me point ya mi meki no me wi sia enche bia why me wi a me frɛ mo tie me point that me odi mi meki no me Allah antimi mu wo kremoni Allah ati mu entimi Allah antimi mu no se wo pese wo ne me kasa dia wo benya ni se wo wati mu no wo no be kasa no waka kire wo se ko san ko fan chai ko kan se mu e kire no me pe ko ya me fa so me ne be kasa esanse me ntini mu nti ntumi nkan kire no wo na me ti mu ko na ko ka kire no entimi a wantimi mu no kasa me nti but what you know kasa obete. So the question is, if Allah wanena wadia netie, if Allah is closer to us more than our vein, maybe sawai. Eye den want to mini komisheni Muhammad yan kasa na angel Gabriel en wadia sema no edi suma ni free soro. Allah what ye ni peduam ana what soro. Ana ye ni pedua no spiritual realm no e wo soro. So Said Buhari yen kote komsheni na samo kan yen why o my definition bi about Allah yen ti asem bi verse say yin kura mi sevu ya sevu na makwa check oh mba that is the question. Where is Allah? Where is Allah? Is Allah everywhere? Is Allah everywhere? Okay. Is Allah everywhere? Is Allah closer than our vein? Is more closer than our vein? Where your side Buhari? Where your side Buhari? Number 24 to 25. Ubenya Sam Kronwa. And was Said Muslim. Number 26 to 27. Yentie Asamoa. Komsheni Mohammed Kafa Allah. Besma Kusi Mechia Paminia. Was say narrated by Abu Huraira. Allah apostle said, our Lord, the breast, the superior, comes every night down on the nearest heaven to us. When the last third of the night remain, saying, is there anyone to invoke me so that I may respond to invocation? Is there anyone to ask me so that I may grant him his request? Is there anyone seeking my forgiveness so that I may forgive him? Said Buhari. So according to Komsheni Muhammad, every night diano Allah is free 7th heaven. Now about the nearest heaven. Obedruwa ni jumedi ni na wotiam. When are you ready? Se wo hia me moa anase wo be frɛ me amama be boa no when na hia nhira free me nkyai abira maban mu yi no anadu yi a maban mu yi no sata mu yi mu na mu invoke me yeye enti mu invoke me na me responde mo because adeche na me froko 7 for every wa ansa na mo mpai bo mediri wo no ebedi 70,970,7,497 million years and son of mate. Satam no wo oba sasi so a wo ato aso be 1,000. Entita abofo ni po abe Allah no wo mo ko Allah nche ko worship no a wo mo time wo mo di kodru o enti se ye wiase mu a wanya 50 years o na tie wo bom pa ye na afra ko Allah nche ede the day no fi September na be ko kodu anato de wo so wo ye ne fofofo mamo wo sane ba the nearest heaven na wo betiam enti se ade sa wo Africa neba se ade sa wo Africa na ala sane wo firi na kunwa kase le so na wa ba to the nearest heaven na wa de na no abeteto krom na wo tiem mo wai madada mo sore obi bia na wada bia sore me Allah me na maba no mabeduru nearest heaven no satam we na wo bompaya Ishmael me pa cha mate me dia minim se mini knowledge bia about Islam but the yatro na America me wi am the number de beto so me pa cha don't run away. Try to answer these questions for us. Allah did not know better to berena so adia sam abete so ha wa we invoke me satami na wasa we invoke me wa we here blessings satam we na wasa wosere na adia sa wo Africa no se adia ti wo Africa ni tumilika kwa America na kwa akotan America fo na wo mo nso ma kwa akwaji wo mo de enti ma mfa mama na de a data wo no mo bompaya enu me nchai esanse ministro ho enti data wo no krado according to this hadith you know wo data bompaya wo bona ye kwa omini aklemoni let me tell you opa na dubia no wasole ya bompaya 5 times a day prayers ni jai 5 times a day prayers ne me pa cha ujai what you see oh Jova, per favore, te chiamo dopo, sto facendo un programma su Facebook, per favore. Ok, grazie Amere. Abusia, yanyine wo. Mi make point bi wa ha. Am sa wo nyine wo. Na mi ni sa wo gine wo abeboa wo. Enya me nko a. Allah say According to Komshani Mohammed, 1 tin year mame sanken kan kire o. Me pa che o. Said Buhari number 24 to 25. The same Said Muslim, the same as Mkroya. Who be saying and Said Muslim 26 to 27. Tia was say another narration prophet. Okay, men can say reported by Abu Huraira, Allah's apostle. This was said by Allah's apostle. The eye of Allah, the mouth of Allah, the ears of Allah to you as a Muslim, no? So I don't give a damn. Abraham bimuche ne kaye, the burden of a proof is upon the burden of a proof is upon him who makes his claim. Me pacha where Komshani Mohammed neka oka said the American mentiasia wasem I don't give a damn. Tie narrated Abu Huraira, Allah apostle said, our Lord the breast, the superior, comes every night down on the nearest heaven to us when the last third of the night remains, saying, is there anyone to invoke me so that I may respond to his invocations? Is there anyone to ask me so that I may grant him his request? Is there anyone seeking my forgiveness so that I may forgive him? So logically, reason can I say Nebusa was said, we are seeing a dear Sayan Baku Ana Debbie Yawa Fabia a dear Chino a dear Sawo Enti baby a dear Sano a hona alawo Wawo hono and ya woman a dear Sawomano and a water wabon paibo ewo wa dear Chinwino Allah wenimu. And today, according to this hadith, Sabi Nyansanim, Adia San, Ena Allah Benyana 7. Now, Wabeja Wompai, but Satam na Bompire Allah Besum. Satam Wamu America, Wamu Australia, Ena Sefuano, Wamanso, Adia Achi Wamo, we are Cremoni or Hona Bompire. Daytime ono, Nyansa Bieni. Mawanina. Florence, Mama Hadis, Kwana Koko Cheke, Saufi said the American Meboa, Ocha na Meboa, Nawafa, Makotu Kurane verses, at the American pointers waha. Now, Mammy Pini number no why? Epacho, Ebusia for Mammy Pini number no. Mammy Pini no Maham Famam. What the Opesa Oba? I am ever ready, Brother Brabe. What dear brother Becassa, some American meboa, and Trechemuna minim, be my entrechemuna and Tias why. Meba, I making me point, Mamine, Minion say, Main Pini, number and then ya come. Mammy Pini number and then ya come. One number and one harder than so. Sao Pesa Fre. Now I drink Trebia Fabra. Where is Allah? A long program na yeye no abusia forward ya se number no mapini mesrao ya friend say Florence Manson mesrao said ya mekanya no. So free say I am lying a priest. Just come out. My pini number no. I'm say hakura meba. Ma menko ye no wa say na fast. Me say me pini number no. Why? Into the fra na be ka kire me say the American meboa. Na the bra be ma ye accurate tangible answers bi wa ha. What the bra be kire be bia allow. That is what we are asking. And if possible, we be prove point our Quran ni mo di amaye. Why? Mesrao, if possible, na waye. One make you point to a Quran ni mo di amaye. Na yan so ne yate ase. Se wotumi make point ni wo Quran ni mu. Na wotumi kire baby Allah wo. Na menya a verse in the Quran so kire wo say. Nessa me say nya a verse e wo Quran ni mu a e kire wo say. Dia wo kan wo boa. Eno so Oya, number nine, that's one. Fred, where is Allah? I'm waiting. Is Allah closer than, and is Allah more closer than our vein? Is Allah everywhere? Is Allah present? Is Allah omnipresent? Where can we find Allah, or is Allah living in the sky? Is Allah sitting on his throne? Where is Allah? And Nyansabe Mpona Sebi, with all due respect, Mami can say na nkwaya didi atem. Me pacha me can say mpo. Point be na wo betumi e kan ma me mate ase say according to hadith no, ade san Allah sane ba no wa be sompa ebo mu no. Waka chem say data no dia bompa ya edru Allah nim. If data me ya bompa ya edru Allah nim dia, then night time Allah no e wase wotena ba bi woteno a na ye mpa ebo no furu duru no ho esan say data mo mpa ebo ndu Allah nchen nti no data mo no onfa mo mpa ebo ho anadwo na wada no e na wo sane ba na wo be sori anadwo abo mpa ya na Allah aso wo mpa ebo mu pepa chawo Allah tesro ha wotimi nya mpa ebo ne je ana wonye eyeye a Edia na mani sane ba down anado. Okay, say Allah e wo soro dia. Adentina verse ne Quran surah 50 ayat number no that is 50 ayat number 60 no chere say Allah is more closer than our vein. Me pini number no. Yeah, my pin number no mean you to brase ni. My pin number no was screen any. Enti me kan say ye nuanom bi be frɛ mo ma me check no ha. Yeah. My pin number no. So I am waiting. Omo say me di atro no. Florence me pa chaw ebere no nie. Frɛ na be katre di a wo se beboa. Me say where is Allah? This is a debate between a scholar and a student of Islam. Yeah. To me, no, the student in a point now will make here no. A very, very, very good point. So what catch them say, Allah te suruwa, Allah wonsa, Allah weni, Allah wona here. Then Allah will be a born no. When you creator, when you creation. Say Allah, ewo baby our tia. And you know when you creation, when you creator, because a nipa young esan say, you're limited to this planet, you know. And your planet ya muna ya wo, yentimi nko baby anadro dia yeda, yesunsumuno, etumi pie, eko baby opebia. Esan say Allah, limited to the seventh heaven, he is always on his throne. Asasi want to me maso. And the student they say, Sauka Sasamunua, Krate, oh limit Allah. Scholar didn't say, how dare you saying that? I have making a point from the Quran, saying Allah lives in the sky. And even Prophet Muhammad at the time, what they are summoning bano, what the Suma and the Gabriel from the sky, and what the sun about down. Commissioner Muhammad the Quran, yes, said, Obi and Anoka say, Anadupia, Allah Saneba near 7. So where is Allah? This is a question we are asking you Muslims. If you tell me the Quran doesn't contain contradiction, then you don't understand your book. If the book claims said there is no doubt in it here, throw the book away because you have found contradictions in the book. Who is coming to explain this for us? Nobody, I mean no one, because you better na ya boa ye ho. Ye ni mu de ye kan. Oba ye de be wo. De ye no. Ye bie wadwene bi wo niema bi ho. Ye bie wadwene mu wo niema bi ho. Ya pese ye ma wani da ho. Ma men kan asem nkyere wo. Nyankopon. Untumi nkase woti wiem. Woti muram. Woti ha. Enti oba ya na kan kase mu a yesi Nyankopon wo ye kwa. Nyankopon wo ye kwa. Na attribute no, ne attribute nyina no eye bema. Enunti ene ma memedin na mechewa di kronti a memedin no kwa ene dikai no na emedin so eye a na dikai wuni ma de kro ni nyina wonte ase but me tell di enti a kwa edi memedin kan no ya na nanu munyansem no omusi Nyankopon no omunnim ba bia wo Nyankopon no ye kwa untumi mfa ne ntoto hwe ho na emobo no ye hwe ne ye ya na attribute ni nyina na kire se wo beye bema enti sansa wo ye kwa enti yemfa kwa no enso memedini so ene ma yenya akodo yenya akwabena yenya akwaku yenya akwawo me pata wati ase kwawo no ene yawo ni nyina ya de kro yenya akofi enya akwame enya akwasi eye no ntia enti san nimudia we nyina wo ye nananu mutirim na ukasa ya nananu mu omunim nyame a wo wonim nyame no then I am asking you, where is your God? Where can we find your God? Why is the book contradicting itself? Even the book Noah, efri munyankopon ne ba enche ba no cannot tell you where is Allah there. Then it will be very difficult for you to know where is Allah. That is why we are telling you the book. Amama you confused. Book no, it will just brainwash you. The American no, the Ankremosomo no, editini mo German will never understand what I'm saying. The American won't take because Muslim biano, even Allah when you might be a friend brain. They say me yes a topic no. When you might be a friend brain, enti aduma brain ni ye no, what there many padua no ho akwa bia, wo check ya na esre. Ejuma brain eye no what there many padua no ho akwa afoforo. Omo kire Quran no na omunima dia ye friend brain. Enti ejuma brain ni ye no na edia many padua no ho akwa afoforo. Ne keme da se bebre me pa cha me tell. Where is Allah? Where can Allah be found? Is Allah closer more than our vein? Is Allah closer to us more than our vein? Then the question is, eye den na abofo de fra konyankopon chai a tam wo mudi duru ho no eti se yen ya hanom say 50 years. Yenya kola bi mo ma me mpeke no ba mpese me de ne to pese me de ne she bluetooth me pa cha o wo so a me ba why ma me fa she bluetooth me pa cha why me pese me connect o ma bluetooth no serewa okay connected. Okay, hello.
The Bluetooth is connected successfully.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Minian. Pacho me to my casa.
Me pacho me to my casa. Pa udini we be akasa fi kwa 44 echi awo.
Oh, okay. Me pacho me din di kusi smart me casa free Germany.
Oh, okay.
Na yeah, me bo ba su bebre ne adwumade a wo ye Minian.
Me da se.
Na ya rewo sam se den na Allah etisoro baby ono wo no ontumi enya de mani pabi ade se Nyankopon na na Allah na sane aba baby foforo aba be ye adwuma ma obi we asete we ya de obi betimi wa bi ho
ya se wo
sabi Minia ebre na ewo mu no sabe adwene na eda yetim no yenyusu se empo se yegitum se Allah ho no ma obedi ye ho yawo se wo te wo no Allah na ye limited baby owo no on to me operate I just was sunny aba fuma ba be yaduma mo bi opanyini bisa yenianum kramofuo question we mam why simple Quran 64:11 or say no calamity before anyone except by Allah's will. And my question is coronavirus Allah will into na ba na and question I don't know. That's pa
that's baby. That's pa yada yenia be mano ase. Oh, call we dear neighbor. Oh, call we dear. Oh, papa. Hi, Mesrao, mami minute back up. Me program be on Facebook. Me we am for a while. Me das. Abusia for yeni abe makusi Bismarck enso at the question abeto. Wase Quran 64 ayat number 11 said calamity bia no abetumi asia emfri Allah enti sa wugitum say enya sa wugitum sesi awiase mu nyina no de eni edi akon ya yade a ye friend coronavirus e bata what yase so eni edi akon de a na tese Allah ene de sa calamity ne ba ye enti adenti na wo so on pray ma yen shout to o mosque down Bremoy Allah wa hene mi gusu twen na mi ni mi se ge na no wo so na wo ya abo no na nka mi wie ya wo dimrika ba be frɛ sa no mo ye o we ma men kan sa mo nkyere mo me hyere mo se ye program na omoba na omudi atem na omoma comments bi a me pa mo chew mo ma yenye din na ye hwe wo mo ma men kan sa mo kyere wo na nsan ya na me my life no ena ma mi hunu say yes senkra mofuo no dwumadie na ye die no eboa wo mo sua die di free ye ho but oba student a obesua die free teacher ho no oba no wo say be teacher tem mi wa wo besua die se wo block no a na wone nam ka tira manfo say sankofa chap ene wo mo maka na kwa ma block me na enso ye nyina ye sua die me ka kire mo se woni mi se wo ba ha na di sua na wo besua wo be ni di atem oba membe di atem because mo ba ha besua die monka manu ntum ni ye nkire mo ade na mo ankasa mu buku no mabon wo ho muntume nkenkai baba musa mechiawo mo ankasa mu buku no mabon wo ho muntume nkenkai aya samo oba pecha aya very sad omeba no ma misbehave anyhow di omo yan ebeso obufuo mo wa block wo mo pe no mo nenam so bobo amane yese wa block wo mo because omo ba ya no mo besua de said ye be ya onye nim guase enti no egweso wodi atem na wa wo ye program na wa wo hwe no wa dwene be ya wo said ye wo kan go ntie nanso ya ne wo mutie efa pen and paper etretre de e kan nyina nti omo ba ya mo ma ye nyae wo mo ena etoso biem ye nua no nkramofo no adene makremoni se wo be hunu no kure no na wo be yi ne wo free sumuni mu because abusua be pono wa yi ne wo free sumuni mu de nanso wo be active de ebe ya na busua ni bi wo Facebook a wo be hunu se wo da so ye kremoni yesere mo omo ye nuanom omo ba no omo di atem a mo ma ye hwe omo no omo ni atem omo usua de ye started programming no uhunu nkramofo bebre ba na wo so masa you don't know anything about Islam wo knowledge wo form what you are saying no is lie ye bie to mu ape wo mo wo so o beto obi antumi amfre this will tell you say omo no keke ni omo de kasa omu ni mo hwe me da bia me kasa asem we se me betena na me ye program a ya na maboaboa me ho na maba enti se wo ba na wo aboa ho a ye study go and learn Arabic yeah puppies aya no correct go and learn Arabic last time your friend say papi sa obekaya Samson seto ye program bi ama Muslim bi free eso na se ma obekaya say alif lam mim no oti ase obusa Samson seto say oti ase no se da bi enti ase wo say ha ye kan 1 2 3 ye kan di free hene Samson seto say 1 okay Elia was a sakenka was alif just 1. Now no, but in Arabic language, yakasa wana e ya wahad e ya 1, alif and ya 1. But sani pa webeba uye programmer, wabeba bedi watem na wabe argue with you. Miwa wanimu she wanisumulimu. Di obi katre na wadia tumitirimu. Woya wadni se ubie nani no ohunu se wadwimi se de am kan na mesremo omoba no mu die na temo a moma ye njintum edi bi amodi be frɛ bia no ye accept it because edi atem na ya gi ya bere entina ya momo omodi di atem na enye ni uma yen momo am nkoso ni di atem me the video we to ho na me di throw challenge say where is Allah? Where can we find Allah? Quran Surah 50, ayat number 16. Yen can say no ana. Yen can say no ana. Allah is formless. According to Quran Surah 6, ayat number 89. Yen kamu ana. Quran Surah 2, ayat number 2. This book is a book in which there is no doubt. Yen can say no ana because there is a lot of bunch of doubt in the Quran which nipa enti asiye Quran unya. That is why at the beginning of the talking of that Islamic scholar no can say the question where is Allah and answers bia enipa bi edema womono can always lead and kremofo out from Islam. There are many of them going out from Islam. And Islamic will divide into 72 said by your prophet. And I know that the downfall of Islam. So what do you say? Islam will take over. Islam will lead the whole world. I Sankofa, I am telling you today, say you are lying, but Islam will break into pieces. And that will be the end of Islam. And Yawunu and Sunsan said, Ewasua Eko. One day, Mobe acknowledge this year messages. And if not you guys, Mama, Ebebaye Naso, Abegun Sambo Yendi, Asren Nimudiene Kuta Yenibi, Awa Yenchen. And that's why we two and a more quiet man among chai, and I consider him dear through Monchai, because we knew Diana what they tito Obano, and Mua Obano. And he said, Obebusa say, why is Allah Metia, Ubusa Mesen Yankopon Wahena? I can definitely tell you where is Yankopon. The Yankopon I am. The Yankopon who I believe say, well, I can show you where that Yankopon is. And I can tell you, said that Nyankopon is within his creations. Nothing else. Nyankopon is not outside of this creation, but he is within us. He is part of us here. So I am part of Nyankopon. You are part of Nyankopon. We are all together as Nyankopon. God doesn't live in the sky. Nyankopon and Tyrium. Don't limit Nyankopon. Why? Madam Massey, I know say one day in the poverty a message in atom. Where a message I made by na me can ama yenu anam kremofo atiase me say maba no maba momo to pampers abre bia menya hu bia na me ba ba message no me de dia no odel na beba. And questions are ye busan wo Islam mu. Questions are enkremofo ankasa ebisa minim se chenyam pa menya time a where is Allah part 2 meba ba ye na meba becho baby Allah tie according to Quran. Me say book no, there are millions of contradictions ewom. Contradictions aye book we mu ma say twam. E chenya mpa me the Quran na beba becho baby Allah tie. On se ne verses ni bi ma yeti ase say Allah no what ye ni peduam because he is more closer than our vein. Enti what ye ni peduam wakan ye ho ene woni ye wo ha obi nso da bi Allah at sky. According to Muhammad, where is Allah? I will show you tomorrow if I get chance. According to Muhammad, I am going to use the Quran to prove to you where is you Allah no. Now when you say a same way a yampa is questionable and it can lead many Muslims from Islam. Many of them, anybody be aware open-minded, anybody be aware will look for truth. Nani ambere say me say enkwadie bi wo wiase a me pesa enkwadie no wo hunu sa ansem wo ya he will come out from Bibra 2 mesrawo ba hunu sa wo frɛ me ba ma me frɛ wo ha wai ma me frɛ wo ha ba bia frɛ si ye no ho na phone nam de ye program no ma me frɛ wo ha wo de wo number no wo ha ntini ma me frɛ wo na e bia na nso wo point bi meki no. Oh, Pibra 2 pa. We don't ban ni ma ho. Okay, na Pibra 2 de me nya number say. Ma me frɛ wa ha say ya ne yenko. Where is Allah? That is the question. Jeffrey, hello?
Hello?
Yeah, Jagbani Pibra 2. Now gbewa.
Welcome back.
Nedase,
Hello, Utili.
Yate kasa.
Okay. So, inti takava michao eli ubusha fonyina, eli utifonyina. Na we Jagbani na gbe wa P-Black 2. Inti wele mi kasance na wa bujuma pa na nkrofo so afio
meba Pibra 2 meba Hajj generous me pa chao me nka se alif lam mi tire se 1 2 3 me se eye kremoni bi na frɛ Samson Seto platform ni program na wo kan se alif lam mi tire se 1 2 3 me tire se no Arabu ni mo no metumi akan 1 2 3 up to 100 me metumi akan because matena Libya pen minim se one eye wahad adane kura me fresh Samson Seto platform no so ka kire ni say kraboni na saw na wo kan wo boa na one eye wahad one enye alif enti se one tie audio na me ye ni ya ana say asem o me kan ya en kan kire say I am lying and men lying and talking about so many so near rather me boa why people are too asoma
when sa program ko me makai sa program na se to bisa gani ko shi gana ko mergo ran sa o answer shi kura yeah Inti question I will be saying, this is a very great question, but sister me say me a former Muslim. So we are Muslim. Sometimes some questions we know.
Giovanni Antonio.
Ultimate dream kura say na fa na Allah wa na ena question na kaza Qur'ano. So kind of contradiction because when answers na no. So what is Allah? Ubenya nkremo bibrombe kache say Allah to the throne so. Or on the throne so. So unse Muhammad ko ji 5 daily prayers in Quran. Altina when flying donkey suna oko suro no.
Sa
oko suro kura baby Allah wa na ko ji 5 daily prayers.
Sa
3 bi kura o e drive kura so. Ena your angels omu when angels no the omu sure we Allah throne no. Enti sa uko enti sa ubisa ko Jesus ya. yebenya nkramfo bibro mbeka say oh Allah won turu so ene yebenya bibiro so mbeka say oh debi Allah wo bibia nti nkramos na kasa no nkramos na kasa no question bia wo bebisa bia sa udi 100 Muslims to a omo kasa omo beku afa answer obi ade ma so we ma answer ba ko beka say de nyesa na wo susu de nyesa na wo susu de nyesa question bia wo bebisa bia se se so uko bisa kura say Quran si yam bo by 5 daily prayer me see ntoko kura be see because ya wo bi ma omu bo pa only 3 pe ya wo bi ma omu bo pa only 3 and wo do mu bo pa and so me see question bia wo bebisa bia so o bisa kura say prophet Muhammad na wo last prophet ye benya Muslims o beka che say there be prophet bi su beba so ya ena iti omusumlu de bobo into what I make a sanche into what I shall be almost Quran is very clear book Quran na kasa Quran claim say oh no or a very clear book everything is explained everything is into uko kikan Quran 16 verse 89 we send down to you the book explaining everything.
That's it.
Allah see yes was any book wa explain bibia uko Quran 2 verse 2 this book there is no doubt in it Quran is uko Quran 54:17 we indeed made the Quran easy to understand Quran 54:17 we indeed made the Quran easy to understand. Easy. We entro.
Yes, enyantra one question. And one question. And we different answers from different Muslims from the same Quran. Yes. And everybody will quote the same Quran for you. The same Quran will be quoted to their making point.
Yes,
with different answers.
Quran 11 verse 1. This book, this is a book perfected. Each verse is moreover explained into details. Allah is wise, Allah is all knowing. So some verses, everything is into details. Quran is detail. No, okay. The Emma all these statements and the Quran in an say. Shasa ukika Quran, ubetima kika Quran 100 times. Ubeki cancer. This uko shia hadith no. Hadith, transfer any siramu, almost our books be Quran. Answer na Quran ubeti sumni edru miribe Quran this uko Bible mu ubeko Bible mu kwa answer na ubeti nyema bi asase ena yasawo Arabic books almost like 10,000 books are explain Quran. If this book is easy to understand, everything explained into details. Added to the Musa almost like 10,000 Arabic books are in churo and explain the book way. Even up to now, Quran still Quran obia anti book we have obia anti book we have. Hamadia for Ankasa Quran. She almost one of the set. Hamadia Ankasa Quran sunu. Omu teachers no. Omu 3 groups omu nyina omu esa kukura o amadia wenu omu kura esa eku uko shia for omu so omu ho inside shia no there are groups like 100 and more omu so kura omu si debi we si debi so ubo so na side so and kura the end bobo so iti mimi ko si ni nyina ne say which Islam is the real Islam? Islam, when I say, is the first religion. Move from who are, whether you're Catholic, when you're Muslim. But who? So you better show me now, Musa. Omubedani, minister of the the first growing religion, so Ubekani, so Ubekano, opposite, Ubekani.
The lowest, that man can say, the slowly the slowly growing religion of Saturday because the fastest growing there and the slowly people have to have a show.
So iti omo ti se omo kuwa omo esa kuo wo ye kafiri wanya muslim but omo ba nom si ya omo no ye the fastest growing religion ena omo sa wo hadith bisu when sa hadith we prophet Muhammad say Islam be ba be chiche mu 73 Islam ebe chiche muslim omo be chem into 73 as we are talking right now sankofa me research be Islam say na chiche mu branches na any schools na obi a teaching dey no who can nyina who be almost like 800
wow
800
wow
80 kilo it is a professional from so professional I feel big time I feel big time.
One God.
It is almost no, yeah. It is almost Christianity, Judaism. I am corrupt. It is Islam by. Now, it is Judaism. Any Christianity, I am corrupt. Now, Udi, the best religion by. Now, what's Adi 73, and now what's our professor say everybody teach me to 73 na ba ku pe na e correct atan be kurani when you na editi na physical you dey kukun kurofo we
ya dey to menkani
so it is about what I remember my last point because now we can now we see we be guy be see Allah uniform
yeah
so I mean yeah enya correct so into that my last point nam sambom where me kasa because my also wan kasa kora wa kasa che so omo story bi fi omo story bi share o anka mi poko seconds bi we person for Quran and person for Quran we surah and from Pakistan because story hadith non pe so ubetima kan Quran 50
okay
50-30 edamami Quran yeah 50-30
media kayama why Quran surah 50
okay
ayat number 30 50-30 or say on the day we will say to hell have you been filled and it will say are there some more okay
so if you ask that you can hadith in Quran now me say oh we hadith there in Quran
yeah sir what point now we make no
yeah
what point now we make no me kan we say na besi ma adwene to aso
so in Quran 50-30
hell bebu say was say on the day we will say to hell enti Allah say atemu damere no wono omo Allah ebebu say hell wa yema ana na hell ajesu say ebi wo ho biemu ana na tese wenye ma
exactly sisi asa ukikan verse we are Quran no say ay clear easy to understand so ukikan verse we are and only say Allah biza hell say oh sorry hell biza say ebi mu homo ana so no
answer bi
about you know what yeah it's only the background of this story Quran so which na Quran you don't know the background of this story you don't know what is even going on nini na say Allah ka say obebi say hell oh hell why am na hell abisa we Allah say na ebi mi homo e say wa ko choba wa ko didi na choba wura bisa say sanko for na wa mi na na wa bisa choba wura say na ebi na bi o ndem mami mo so it's hell any Allah no mukasa no na verse no but you don't know more of what in crofo and answer pigs no move when hell and answer them you don't know This a woko hadith no na wa kwa kwati asam we nyina ase we very clear. Na the me make point na say when story na into make a short pa so hell any heaven no omo argument bi and hell ka kire heaven say onu no oberi receive crofo a omo so e dipa so into no omo argument pa and when argument no omo into omo argument sa no and we all we first di bibia ma omo nti we atamuda ye be judgment bibia awie no judgment bibia all be judgment we no